Hello, we'll take a brief look now at the weather for the week ahead. So the cold snap is coming to an end. We'll be swapping the chilly air for something milder, but a lot more stormy. Still icy conditions, but some sunshine around on Friday. Some very severe weather expected through the weekend. Take care if you're travelling. Storm Bert will bring widespread gales, severe gales towards coastal areas and heavy rain. And that rain, as it bumps into the colder air, will be turning to snow. There'll be blizzards, drifting snow over some of the northern hills in particular. Here are some of the snowfall amounts. We will be seeing some snow to lower levels, especially across parts of the central belt and across northeast England. But this is the area of most concern. Parts of the Grampians, where there's an amber weather warning in force, could see as much as 40 centimetres of snow, and that will be drifting around in all of those strong gusty winds too. But the snow will turn quite quickly back to rain for the vast majority of us. There'll be plenty more rain too, just piling in from the west as we head through the afternoon. With the added snow melt, there could be some flooding, particularly for northwest England, western Wales and southwest England perhaps. But the air is milder, 15 degrees in the south. Still that colder air hanging on though across many parts of Scotland. But you can see that milder air streaming in from behind the storm. The storm still with us as we head through into Sunday. Tight squeeze on the isobars and particularly tight across parts of southeast England through Channel Coast as we head through Sunday. There could be gusts of wind here across parts of southeast England, perhaps of up to 60 to 65 miles an hour. And this is where we'll see the bulk of the rain too across central southern England, southeast England, on and off through the day. Some sunshine further north, still very windy down through these Irish Sea coasts, and yet more showers piling into Northern Ireland and particularly western Scotland. So another very unsettled day of weather, but it will be feeling a lot milder by then. A mild start to the day, by the afternoon 9 to 15 degrees Celsius. So what changes into the start of next week? Well, that storm system is still with us on Monday, with the low pressure still centred across parts of northern Scotland. There will be some heavy rain here. All of this falling as rain, of course, showers a little further south, and we're keeping the strength of the wind. It's a very slow moving storm, but the wind's lightening across England and Wales. Some showers in the west, but drier further east, and starting to turn a little chillier again as we head through Monday and into Monday evening, 9 to 12 degrees Celsius. In fact, the winds will fall a lot lighter as we head into Tuesday as that low pressure starts to clear away. High pressure starting to edge in from the west. So largely dry, I think, through the day on Tuesday across many parts of England and Wales. Maybe a few showers running down through the Cheshire Gap. With that northerly wind, it will start to feel cold again. Most of the showers up towards the north, of course. Temperatures peaking between 7 and 10 degrees Celsius for the vast majority. We could even start to see a few frosts through the middle part of the week across the northern half of the UK, because further south there is more rain just piling in. A lot of uncertainty regarding the detail of this on Wednesday, but it looks as if the rain will be further south and it will be drier towards the north with some sunshine, but just feeling rather chilly again. So the high pressure keeps things dry across the northern half of the UK on Wednesday. Low pressure systems out towards the west, but the high will eventually drift its way further eastwards towards the end of next week, allowing for that milder air to start streaming through again. So temperatures rising once more, but along with that milder air comes some very changeable conditions, so wet and windy again at times.